Hello, everybody. It is Andrea, your Global Voice Certified Motivational Speaker under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown. I want to ask you something. Do you know someone in your life or yourself that is not happy with the way things are, where their life is headed, and just feel like they don't have a sense of direction or can't catch a break? Feel like they're always being confided upon and depended upon, and that when you make a suggestion or a recommendation, they don't take it. They want to change so much. They want to transform, but they have difficulties doing so. And with your state of mind and where you are, you've been successful in it, and at times you get frustrated. Well, these are the individuals that have to learn and understand that not everybody is at the same starting point. Not everybody has the motivation or drive. And one of the aha moments in my life was realizing once I put expectations upon others, then I would only be letting myself down. That I was there to be supportive. I was there to be understanding. I was there to be nurturing and comforting. That this was not my life to lead. This was not my life to control or guide. That I just had to remember and be proactive in being human. I was there to be a sounding board. I was there to give an ear. I was there, as some people say, just to sit beside you and breathe with you. When we put expectations upon others, we may push them outside their comfort zone. We may set them up for failure. It is not our role or our job to dictate how one should live or lead their life. It is our job to be supportive, empathetic, and willing to walk beside individuals, whether it be in the personal, professional, spiritual, emotional, mental, or soulful realm. For when we work harder than the individuals who want to pursue their dreams, at times we can be coming across as enabling, and at other times we can come across as being, how can I say it, judgmental. We get disappointed, we get frustrated with the individual because they are not meeting our expectations. They are not seeing or exceeding their potential that you may have bestowed upon them. We must take a moment and stop being the cause, cure, or control, and just be there for nurturance, guidance, and support. I can't tell you how many times I hear parents, teachers, coaches, family members, mentors getting frustrated. I don't understand. Why don't they just see it this way? Why don't they do it this way? Ladies and gentlemen, we are not here to walk in other people's shoes. We are not here to dictate how one should live their life. We are merely here to support one another in their areas of improvement, to nurture when hurt or lost, and to love endlessly and unconditionally without judgment, blame, or shame. Once we compartmentalize individuals in our life based on their mistakes, their shortcomings, their flaws, their mishaps, and their weaknesses, then we are basically replacing our Creator. For we are all equal, but just at different paths in our life's journey. Who are we to judge? I remember going through life and coming up with this statement. Judge me when you are perfect, to kind of be a little crude. Because there's no such thing as perfection. There's only progression. And everyone evolves, learns, makes mistakes, and transforms within their own lives at their own pace. All we need is supporters, advocates, and people who love us as opposed to judge us in our times of need. And based on my personal stories and personal experiences, I do my due diligence to show them another way, to shift and alter their perspective, and to make sure that they are able to see all aspects and perspectives of all those involved. Again, we can go through life with blinders on and tunnel vision and focus solely on us and forget everyone else. Or we can stay focused and be diligent towards our goal, and then be so hard on ourselves if we don't do it perfect or right or within our time frame or with our expectations. Life is a journey, and it's supposed to be lived and not survived. Every single day is another journey that you have to take away a lesson, a message, pay it forward, and to help someone in need. When you come to the realization that it's not about you, it's about others, being a service to others, helping others, and how you can create and build your legacy. Thereafter, that's the influence and impact that inspires all. So I ask you, before your feet hit the floor as you're waking up, if you're watching this in the morning, pillow if you're watching this in the evening, I want you to ask yourself a few questions. Am I putting expectations upon others that I feel their potential of, but in reality they might not be aware of? In the social work and psychology industries, this is called the pre-contemplation stage, where they have an idea of what's going on, but they may not be ready, prepared, willing, or have awareness to what's going on. The other question is, how are you playing your role within the people around you, in your family, your relationships, your friends, your business, and your community and society? Are you being one who judges, one who supports, one who contributes, or one who listens and learns and loves unconditionally? My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach. When you look at your life, be brave enough and honest enough to look at it on all perspectives. On the people you serve, on how you see yourself, and what you're contributing to the world. And once you have heightened awareness and self-assurance and self-discovery with great discipline, that's when impact and influence arise. My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. Go to andreamasons.com to learn more, and I look forward to connecting with you and redeem your free gift so we can get you to the next level. In this crazy game of life, you have a right, a choice, and an ability to press play, plan life according to you. Be well.